Let it be an order, booking, appointment, shipment, or an event registration form. Don't we expect a confirmation message right after submitting the necessary data? Not to mention how anxious it makes us when we don't get one. Thanks to FluentForms, your users don't have to experience that anxiety. You can send them a confirmation message instantly using FluentForms Conditional Confirmation. Let's see how. Open your existing form and go to the Settings and Integration tab. Set the other confirmations from the sidebar. Pick the Add Confirmation button. Don't forget to give your confirmation message a name. Then select how you want to show the confirmation message. FluentForms offers 3 options. You can show the message on the same page, redirect to any of your website pages, or create a custom URL with the confirmation message. Now, when it comes to styling, FluentForms has no limits. Take advantage of the dynamic shortcodes if you want to include any user's data in the confirmation message. You'll find this from the drop-down menu. After that, let's select how the confirmation message should appear. You can either hide the form and only show the confirmation message, or show the confirmation message below the form. Now let's set the conditional logic. If your form needs to satisfy only one condition, select any. If it requires more, select all. Then define the conditions. Select the input field and the appropriate condition from the drop-down menu. Be creative and think from your user's perspective while defining the keywords. Click Save Notifications once you're done. As long as your user's actions trigger the conditions, they will receive your customized confirmation message. But if their action doesn't trigger your condition, they will receive a default message. And here's how you can set that. You have to repeat the completed steps and create a new conditional message. But this time, set different conditions and keywords so you can cover all the possible user actions. Since FluentForms doesn't set any boundaries on how many conditions you can set, take full advantage of it. Repeat the procedure and add different confirmation messages for different actions, making your forms more user-friendly and your users less anxious. Don't forget to let us know if FluentForms conditional confirmation messages were helpful. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to WPManageNinja and don't forget to hit the bell icon.